Hello, welcome to our channel. Any particular website or any kind of making a YouTube shorts or you have making for any kind of animated logos, how you can make it for single for animated logos. That is a simple purpose. The use option name is called Canva. You can click for here animated logos. When it is click for animated logo, so many websites are here. In this free online animated logo maker, when I'm click here, the logo size will be 500 by 500 size. When I'm clicking for, I'm selecting option name is called Sri Laptop World. In the Sri Laptop World, main thing is called, they can providing for second-hand laptops with the best price. So video purpose, video entrance, I have to show will be this kind of animation logo. Like this will be, we can design any animation logo. There's a simple step we can follow it to making a animate logo purpose. There is a use option name is called Canva. Now I'm clicking for Canva. When I have to open it, here make it an animated logos. There's an n number of animated text logos are here. It is a Canva will be paid version. In a free, a lot of difference. Paid one is a lot different. Which is a free one without showing this icon pro that you can use as a create animated logo purpose. When it's simple will be click here, just change your icon. What are the icon you have? Just change it and clear by the your particular option will be here. So second one is called here is that. So if you anybody related name Daniel anything DG, you have to use it. This logo will be very useful to making for any business purpose. This logo size will be we can use it for 500 by 500. This will be animated logo to add your music. You can use for entrance the video of your YouTube shorts or Facebook reel or Instagram reel. You can using for this particular animated logos. So anyone we can making logos will be here. There are so many logos will be free, up to 40% free and the 60% will be paid is there. If you purchase Canva with the premium version, is a cost of 4,000. N number of animated logos will be free. You can use it and make it your animated logo for your YouTube short purpose or we can Facebook reel purpose or you can use it for any kind of dimension purpose. This is the logo we can make it just to change your text and make the logo. So one of the best websites is called to create a logos and animated logos. The option name is called Canva. So if any further question about Canva design, anything your question is there, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supporting. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.